So this is an unboxing and new application of the new Dexcom 6. I've been using Libres, Freestyle Libres forever. This is the sensor applicator and then the transmitter. And what they told me now is that with this new, I think it's with the new Dexcom 6, you don't have to buy the $300 receiver anymore. You can put this on your iPhone just like you can with the Libre 14-day. In here they've got clear information on how to do it. I've already been through a couple of these, and it's very similar to the Libre application. Once you get inside the box, they've got 3 applicators. This is an applicator here. One thing I would ding them for is that they don't give you an alcohol prep inside the applicator pack. I had to do that already with my own applicator. My own alcohol prep. So you take the applicator, turn this, or you take this off, you enter that number 9551 into the system. I've already done an alcohol prep. Put that here, hold it down, and there you go. That was it. Oh, no, it didn't hurt. And you take this off, and you go around this 3 times to make sure it's stuck. And I think these things last for about a month, the sensor. Now I'm going to take out the transmitter. They've got some startup clarification information in here, and this is the transmitter. So basically, you've got a little tear off thing there, and that's it. I think this lasts 3 months. I'll provide more clarification as I get a little bit more use with it. And now I need to go and do an alcohol prep, cover that, and then click that in here. Felt it click in. Now I'll enter that on my iPhone. That will be my reading device. And that should last for a month. And hopefully it'll be more accurate than the Libre. The Libre gets a lot of grief for being not that accurate. We'll see if the Dexcom is more accurate. I actually have a Libre on right now, so I plan to give you a few more videos on this. Thank you very much for your interest. So I'm very excited to announce we now have a membership page. Now what is that? That's the one place where you can go and access all of our digital products. It starts off with a few free things like a lot of infographics which help you understand the basics of insulin resistance, cardiovascular inflammation, and other key concepts on how to prevent heart attack and stroke. The next free item is the intro and first chapter of the book that we're writing on plaque. The standards of medicine just aren't doing very well right now in terms of the #1 killer and disabler, plaque. We don't do a good job of measuring it. We don't do a good job of monitoring it. And there are better ways. So that's what this book is all about. Again, go in and get a look at the intro and the first chapter. And if you've purchased the cardiovascular inflammation and IR courses, thank you so much for doing that. You purchased those at a time before we had them totally cleaned up, and we've cleaned them up now. And they're available for you right there on the membership page. Hit the link below, register, and go in and take a look. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.